Introducing Water Floss, your ultimate oral hygiene companion. Designed to revolutionize your dental routine, Water Floss offers efficient and gentle plaque removal, reaching areas traditional floss can't. With its advanced technology, it delivers a refreshing burst of water to clean between teeth and along the gum line, promoting healthier gums and a brighter smile. Say goodbye to traditional flossing and embrace the future of dental care with Water Floss. The Waterpik Cordless Pearl WF13 is a revolutionary solution for maintaining oral hygiene on the go. Engineered for convenience and efficiency, this rechargeable portable water flosser offers unparalleled performance for teeth, gums, and braces care, ensuring a sparkling smile wherever you are. Compact and lightweight, the WF13 is designed for travel, fitting seamlessly into your luggage or carry-on. Its cordless design allows for hassle-free usage without the need for outlets, making it ideal for use during trips, at the office, or anywhere else you need a quick and effective dental clean. Equipped with 4 flossing tips, this versatile device caters to various dental needs, ensuring thorough cleaning and plaque removal. Whether you have braces, implants, or sensitive gums, the WF13 provides customizable settings and tip options to suit your requirements. Accepted by the American Dental Association (ADA), the Waterpik Cordless Pearl WF13 guarantees quality and efficacy, backed by professional endorsement. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it easy to use for individuals of all ages, promoting oral health for the whole family. Featuring a rechargeable battery, the WF13 offers extended use between charges, ensuring uninterrupted flossing sessions. The included charger, though varying in design, reliably powers up your device, keeping it ready for use whenever you need it. With the Waterpik Cordless Pearl WF13, achieving optimal oral hygiene has never been easier or more convenient. Say goodbye to traditional flossing methods and embrace the future of dental care with this innovative portable water flosser. Experience a cleaner, healthier mouth and a brighter smile with every use. Upgrade your oral hygiene routine with the innovative Water Floss. Say goodbye to traditional flossing and hello to a brighter, healthier smile. With its convenient portability and effective cleaning power, Water Floss makes dental care a breeze, whether at home or on the go. Experience the difference and embrace superior oral health today.